I'm Michelle Pulver, your digital product coach and life-first business strategist, helping you grow a successful, sustainable business that fits your real life too. In today's episode, we're going to be preparing your business for Black Friday. So if you've decided to run a Black Friday sale, there's a few things you're going to want to have in place before your sale goes live. If you're still making up your mind about running a Black Friday sale, check out my other video I'll link below to help you evaluate whether you should run a Black Friday sale or not. So first up, you're going to want to make sure that all of your sales pages for the sale are working, all the buttons click through to your checkouts, that your prices are correct, and that you have both compelling copy, so words on your website to sell those amazing offers, and have beautiful mockups showing off how great those offers are, but also showing people exactly what they're buying when they click purchase. Next up, you're going to want to make sure your overall website is up to date. It has the latest copy, what you're doing, what your niche is, and you've displayed all of your main offers on the homepage. Those offers are updated, so they link through to those new updated sales pages for the Black Friday sale, and that your overall messaging is really up to date, what you want to show. While you're on your website, definitely go ahead and make sure that it's mobile responsive. You will be surprised how many people will be shopping for Black Friday on their phones. So this is super important to check that your whole website is mobile responsive, but if that's too much of a task, at least check that your homepage is mobile responsive, the Black Friday sort of overview sales page, or if you have a shopping cart, and then make sure all the individual sales pages or product listings are also optimized for mobile view. This makes such a difference to the user experience for people browsing the sale, and really will help encourage people to actually continue to look around your website. If you're on social media, you might want to also update your social bios, letting people know you're running a Black Friday sale. But even if you're not going to promote it there, just make sure that your bios are up to date. And if you want to have a link in bio to your sale, you can go ahead and add that in as well. Speaking of links, you may want to start teasing your Black Friday sale a little bit early, get people excited about this sale, and help them maybe even start to pick out which products they're going to be purchasing during your promotion. You can do this by either just teasing it on, say, your email list, or you can even create a waitlist page. This is where people can sign up to be notified by email when your Black Friday sale goes live, but it's also a great way for you to showcase a little bit of the offers you're going to be sharing with them during the sale, but not offering yet the option to buy. So that builds a lot of anticipation and excitement for your promotion. Something you might want to consider is creating an opt-out option for people on your email list who don't want to continue to receive the Black Friday sales emails. So sometimes people will join your list because they're really excited to hear about you for one thing or another, but might get just really overwhelmed during Black Friday. It is a really intense time of year where we probably do only want buyers on our email list. Sometimes we know that those people are going to go on and buy maybe something higher ticket like a service or a group program, but that's not what you're promoting during your Black Friday sale. So if that's the case, if you're not offering everything you have for sale during Black Friday, it might be worth considering adding that opt-out option so that people can still remain on your email list and just skip getting the remainder of the Black Friday sales. I will say, if you are a digital product creator like me and most of what you're selling is your lower ticket digital products, probably you don't want to add this in because you want people who are on your list to buy, and this is going to be probably the best deal they're going to get on those digital products. So if they aren't interested in hearing about this, I'm not quite sure why they're there. Something you might want to consider too is adding a countdown timer to your emails. So when you're promoting the Black Friday sale, you can actually add in a countdown saying how long they have left to get these deals. Most email softwares have this available as part of the system. I use Kit and it's just a free feature in there. It's also potentially something you might want to add to your sales page. That can be a little bit more complicated tech-wise, but really worthwhile because it adds that incentive to purchase during the promotion and also just helps people really understand how much time they have left to make use of these deals. If you've started an affiliate program, now is a great time to let them know that a Black Friday sale is coming. You want as many eyeballs as possible on this sale, and if you've already gone to the trouble of creating an affiliate program, definitely make use of it during Black Friday. So let them know that you've got a Black Friday promotion coming, maybe give them some swipe copy and some graphics so that they can share as easily as possible the sale you've put so much effort putting together. Speaking of affiliates, if you are an affiliate for some other businesses or products that you love, you might want to consider sharing sharing not just your own Black Friday sale during Black Friday, but maybe also sharing some of the other deals that your customers might be interested in. So if, for example, you talk a lot about particular software, maybe it's a good idea to include your affiliate link to their Black Friday sale in one of your emails, so that if someone's going to also purchase that in addition to your Black Friday deal, then you'll get an affiliate commission off the back of that. Similarly, if you have really complementary businesses that you work with, say if you're a copywriter and you have lots of people on your list who are looking to improve their sales copy, they may also be interested in finding out about like a sales page template that has the design done or graphics. So if you're friends with a graphic designer or a website designer and have an affiliate link for their offer and they have a Black Friday sale, it makes perfect sense for you to share that as well during the Black Friday sale period. And then finally, when you have everything set up, go ahead and test it all before it goes live. It is not uncommon for tech to be techy and be weird during sales, and particularly at this really high traffic time of year. Things just happen. I feel like half of being a business owner is getting used to the fact that things will happen and things will go wrong, but we always want to do our best to make sure that we've prepared ahead, we've tested everything, and it's working as best as we can make it work before the sale goes live, and then be around, be available in case something happens as well. I really hope it won't, but it will save you so much stress if you've just tested everything ahead and you're aware that you might need to go in and you might need to show some last minute TLC to your sale as it's happening in case tech does get weird. So if you're going to be running a Black Friday sale, I would love to hear in the comments how much of this you've already prepared, how much you're going to plan on preparing this week before your sale goes live. And if you would like to check out what I'm offering during Black Friday, make sure you hop on my waitlist over on my website. I've got the link right below in the comments, because my Black Friday sale actually starts this coming Monday, the 25th of November, and we're going to be running it all the way through to the following Monday. So you have lots of time to decide and shop around. But if you don't want to miss anything, make sure you hop onto the waitlist so that you'll be the first to know when those deals are live. Thanks so much for watching, and make sure to click the subscribe button if you don't want to miss any future videos. Again, I'd love to hear in the comments what you're going to be doing to prepare your business for Black Friday.